Welcome back. More repotting. It's repotting season. I'm just repotting everything. These are going to be quick videos. This is a cherry that I planted as a cascade in this crazy concrete pot that I made. The pot's not bad. The tree's not bad. I don't think it's good for this. It just wants to grow up. So I'm going to take it out of here. It's got cool roots. I might use this moss for that mugo pine. But I think we're going to stand this up a little. I'm going to change the angle. Let's check it out. I'm going to start by peeling off this moss. I'm going to move some of it straight onto this mugo because it needs it. And maybe it'll survive, maybe it won't. But it's nice moss. So this tree is definitely root bound. And this is a concrete pot. So it's going to be interesting trying to get this sucker out of here. Without breaking my tool. It's not worth it to break my tool, I'll tell you that. If I can push from here. Nope. Bring a knife. I did bring a knife. Let's see if the knife will help. Sickle didn't really want to get down in there. I think the concrete had something to do with that. That did it. Holy pot bound. Holy pot bound Batman. Goodness. Look at that. Can't even see that. It's got cool roots. I don't know how I'm going to change the angle of this planting now that I've had it like this for 2 years. I dug this up in the woods by my house. I think it's a brush cherry or scrub cherry. Something like that. It is a pot bound cherry. Obviously. Cool tree. I might get rid of this branch altogether. Plant it something like that. It'd be cool, like on the side of a rock. Now that would be cool. But got enough heavy rock plantings around here that I'm not gonna be able to lift up in 20 years. So I don't know how many more of those I need. One thing I'm gonna do is I take a little cedar block and I'm gonna put it down in here because I want these roots to grow just how I want them to grow. You know. So I'll get it the angle I want it at, so the tree will grow how I want it, and then you know, I'll kind of attach it to the block after I get all the roots spread out where I want them, and then the roots can grow in the direction I need them to grow, and in the radial pattern and out instead of straight down. And the tree will look a lot cooler when it's done. Be a lot cooler if you did. I'll have to keep an eye on this wire though that's holding it down, because one thing I don't want to do is bite in and girdle this tree, because I'm going to wrap it around it, because I really want this thing to stay where it's at. I know this seems like a crazy move, but it's what I'm doing. I'm going to bury all this. I'm probably going to lose this section, to be honest with you. It's just so straight and long, but maybe if I clip some stuff. That already broke. That's great. But maybe I can get some back budding in here this year. Definitely going to trim some of this off. Can't be buried like all the way up to here because I have roots going over that. I'm going to treat it almost like a root over a rock. It's very deep. But I want roots. This is what it's going to take. Alright, well there it is. No planting angle. We'll see how it does. Alright, that's another repotting video. They're going to keep coming. I'm just going to keep making them because I want to document what I'm doing. I hope you like them. If you do, keep watching. Thanks. See you next time. Stay classy.